My name is Adam Farrell-Wortman, and I'm the Director of Horticulture here at the Tucson Botanical Gardens. This is the little leaf Cordia, Cordia parvifolia. This is a native desert shrub. This is one of my favorite desert shrubs because it flowers all summer long. It is evergreen and it takes very little water and truly loves full sun. It can take the hottest of conditions that you give it, and it can take some of the driest conditions of any leafy plant here in the Sonoran Desert. If you want it to flower more consistently and more often, a little additional water goes a long way. The little leaf Cordia likes a good amount of room. It can be anywhere from 6 to 10 feet tall and 6 to 10 feet wide. The more space you give it to be its fully natural self, the prettier the plant will be. This plant does not take very well to manicured pruning, so the more you prune it, the weirder it will turn out to look. One of the things you'll notice about the little leaf Cordia is that it is host to galling insects. And galling insects refers to insects that spend part of their life cycle inside of the plant and the plant grows around them. This causes sort of a strange tumor-looking growth on either the leaf or the stem, depending on where the insect has gone in. This does not generally affect the plant's overall health. It can cause what some people would consider cosmetic damage, but it also just provides a natural look to the plant and looks pretty interesting to a grower. We're not worried about the galling insects in the little leaf Cordia. It is a native insect and the plant has evolved with it. And so in a sense, the plant is supporting that insect, and that's what makes it part of our natural living community. The Tucson Botanical Gardens is an organic garden with an ecological focus on our plant maintenance, and so we don't worry about insects that aren't killing plants. The little leaf Cordia is a great landscaping plant because it does not have thorns, and so it provides this very soft look on the landscape. Lots of habitat for native animals. Being a dense shrub, it's a place where you'll find birds and rabbits either in the shade or making nests. Because it flowers regularly throughout the summer, it's an important pollinator feeder, and because they're not a high water use plant, they'll also be in those spaces between wet areas, and they almost provide their own oasis.